Hello there, welcome to CXC Math TV. In this video, we're going to be looking at how to convert fractions and decimals to percentages. Very easy, very nice, lovely. So, to convert a fraction to percentage, the first thing we need to do is multiply it by 100. It is that easy. It is that easy. Example, what is 9 over 20 as a percentage? So to convert 9 over 20 to a percentage, we just multiply it by 100. 9 over 20 times 100. Remember, how do we do multiplication? We multiply their numerators. 9 times 100, which is 900. 20 times 1, which is 20. And that's then equal to 90 divided by 2. 90 over 2 is 45. And so 9 out of 20 is 45%. It is that easy. So go ahead and pause the video and try to convert these to percentages. Alright, so let's go. So we have 7 over 8 and we want to convert it to a percentage. So we multiply it by 100. Now 7 times 100 is 700. And so we have 700 divided by 8. Now, we're going to need to do some division here. So let's set up our long division. 8 into 7, that cannot happen. So 8 times 0 is 0. 7 minus 0 is 7. Then we bring down our 0. 8 into 70 goes 8 times. So put our 8 up top in the quotient. 8 times 8 is 64. 70 minus 64, that leaves 6. Then we bring down our 0. 8 into 60 goes 7 times. 8 times 7 is 56. Leaves a remainder of 4. Then we bring down our 0 again. Now, 8 into 40 goes 5 times. Alright, and so now 8 times 5 is 40. And finally we finish. And so 700 divided by 8 is 87.5. And so therefore 7 over 8 is 87.5%. Beautiful. Let's look at the next one. 23 out of 50. And we multiply that by 100. But look at this. 50 can go into itself one time and 50 can go into 100 two times. So we can simplify that way. So since 50 goes into itself one time and 50 goes into 100 two times, we get 2 times 3, which is 46, over 1 times 1, which is 1. So 23 over 50 is 46%. Now, if you don't like that method of canceling out, you can always just multiply 23 times 100 to get 2,300 and 50 over 1 to get 50, and then do your long division. 2300 over 50 is still 46. So that's 46%. Likewise, you do the last one. 116 over 54. You multiply it by 100. You get 11,600 divided by 4. You do the division. You get 214.8% to one decimal place. You're probably saying, that's greater than 100%. Yes, improper fractions are going to give you values greater than 100%. Okay, so now it's time to look at converting decimals to percentages. So let's convert decimals now to percentage. Now, to convert decimal to percentage, the easiest way is to convert the decimal first to a fraction and then the fraction to a percentage, since we already know how to convert fraction to percentage. For example, 0.64, we just write that as 64 over 100 in fraction form. They multiply it by 100. So that's just 64%. That's way too easy. So let's try some of these here. 1.95. Convert that to a percentage. So 1.95 again, that's 1 and 95 over 100 if we convert it to a mixed number, and then we convert the mixed number to improper to get 195 over 100. Then we multiply it by 100. 195 times 100 over 100 The 100 over 100 cancel each other, so that's just 195%. Now what about 0.375? Go ahead, pause the video and attempt. Now 0.375 is, look at that, it have 3 decimal place, so it's over 1,000. So put 375 over 1,000 and we'll multiply it by 100. Now 37500 over 1,000, when we divide it, we're going to end up get 37.5%. Beautiful. So 0.375 is 37.5%. Nice. Lastly, let's try this one, 0.92. So as you try that, you should have got 92 over 100. Then you multiply it by 100. So after you converted it to fraction to get 92 over 100, and then you multiply it by 100, you get 92%. It's really that easy. So realize converting to fractions and decimals is really easy. Nice. So that's it for today. Stay tuned for more, and you're gonna see a worksheet of exam style questions being uploaded. Please go ahead and feel free to attempt that worksheet video. It's going to be placed in the link in the description, so you can click on that link. And that worksheet video is going to be really nice because that worksheet video is exam style questions. So please go ahead and you can attempt those questions in the worksheet video and have fun. Alright, so take care and see you soon.